today's video, we will show you the beauty of Pusurubio.
Pusurubio began as Clarice, a hamlet and later barrio of San Jacinto, Pangasinan. It was named in honor of Juan de la Cruz Palaris, leader of the 1762 Palaris Revolt in Binalotongan, today San Carlos City.
So, andito nga pala tayo sa plaza ng Pusurubio. So, pre, ano masasabi mo dito?
Masasabi ko sa plaza ng Pusurubio ay nakakasaya, nakakapagtanggal ng problema ba?
Tapos, malinis.
Maraming tao, maraming nag-enjoy.
Yun. So, karamihan ng mga bata dito ay nag-enjoy. Kaya, punta na kayo dito sa plaza ng Pusurubio.
Father Asensio suggested the new name of Pusurubio to Governor General de la Torre. It was in his honor as he was also Count of Posor with the addition of Rubio. The town were founded on March 12, 1834 by Reverend Father Domingo Naval, the Vicar of San Jacinto. The 1839 to 1842 saw the erection of an ermita amid the creation of Pusurubio as municipio on January 30, 1870, per royal decree of the Governor General.
So yun guys, itatanong ko if anong pakiramdam na merong sports complex?
Masaya po.
Bakit masaya?
Kasi po nakakapaglaro kami.
Anong sports nyo?
Football po.
Bakit yun ang napili yung sports?
Kasi po, yun po yung unang tinuro sa amin nung elementary po kami.
Thank you guys. Kumaway muna kayo dun sa
The St. Jude Thaddeus Parish was established on September 16, 1879 through a royal decree dated July 26, 1878.
So ngayon, andito tayo sa St. Jude Thaddeus Catholic Church, simbahan o kilalang simbahan ng Pusurubio, Pangasinan. Tara!
St. Jude Thaddeus Parish of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Urdaneta was established in 1880. It is located in the municipality of Pusurubio, province of Pangasinan. The parish fiesta is celebrated every 28th day of October. The church building stands striking for its dominant cream color, which complements the mosaic of marble that outline its facade. A statue of St. Jude Thaddeus himself also stands in the middle of the church compound.
Hi guys! So, we are here in the most oldest house here in Pusurubio, Pangasinan. So, right now, hindi kami makapasok kasi nga hindi namin alam yung reason kasi kung bakit nakalock yung
Bahay. Nakalak yung pinto
yung gate. And wala rin kaming taong pwedeng ma-interview para sana malaman na kung ano nga bang history ng bahay. And so yun.
People don't know the importance of this house in the history of Pusurubio. Many Pusurubians don't know that this ancestral house played a significant role in the life of our president, Emilio Aguinaldo. This is the only existing Spanish-style edifice in Pusurubio, and it's now in great danger due to infestation of termites that are slowly eating the roots of this house. Pampag Mini Resort is a go-to place of family and peers, known for its almost natural water and low entrance fee. In addition, is its nature-friendly environment.
Good afternoon po, Uncle.
Turn to
Ano pong pangalan nyo?
si Ernesto Sangalang Alvarado Jr.
Kailan po nag-umpisa tong negosyo nyo po?
Nag-umpisa to before pandemic, 2019.
Anong date po anong araw po ng open ng inyong resort? Or
kami
oras?
Open kami ng 6 AM to 5 PM.
Hi guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa palengke ng Pusurubio. Let's go!
Palengke ng Pusurubio can provide all your needs. It is a go-to place of people in Pusurubio who wants to buy anything they need.
Kuya, ano pong name nyo?
My name is Raymond Santiago, 40 years of age, living at Pusurubio, Pangasinan.
Gumagawa po ba kayo or nagtitinda?
Ako nagtitinda, ako nagluluto, lahat-lahat.
Paano po yung process ng paggawa po ng empalati?
Yung unang-una, ibabad mo yung malagkit sa tubig ng mga 2 to 3 hours and then magpaluwag ka na ng gata, sinako, basukal. And then, yun na, start mo na parang basta hirap i-discuss regarding pagluluto pero pag actual mas maganda magganting lang.
Matagal din po ba siya bago magawa?
Mag-spend ka ng 4 to 5 hours bago siya maluto. Estimated amount sa puhunan is nag-range siya ng 800 plus. Depende sa kasi yung price naman ng malagkit ng puhunan hindi nagabago-bago eh. 800 something plus, ganun.
Ayun lang po, thank you po. Kaway po muna kayo.
Hi!
What's up, guys?
So now, we will rate their empalati.
So yummy. Malagkit. This is a tuba. This is 10 over 10. Creamy of food. Good. Try this. From Pusurubio, Pangasinan. Yummy. Yum.
We are highly recommending this, guys. Try their patupan. Thank you.
Agriculture is one of the most common jobs in Pusurubio, as we have wide sources of land. Most people at Pusurubio knows how to farm because of this.
Good morning, Tatay.
Morning.
Ano po ang proseso ng pagtatanim ng palay hanggang sa maging bigas ito?
Ang tayong proseso dyan, araruhin muna, kuligligin, magpunla, tapos itatanim sa bukid. After 160 to 170 days, harvest. O ibilad mo ng 3-4 na araw bago ipagiling. O yan lang ang proseso ng palay. Ang problema dyan, pag makulimlim ang panahon,
Yun.
mahirap magbilad. O ano ba?
Bukod po sa pagtatanim ng palay, ano pa po ang pinagkakakitaan ninyo?
Marami. Dito sa bukid, tatanim ka ng gulay. Tatanim ng sari-saring may tatanim dyan. Para pag namunga, mayroon kang bibinta. O sa palengke. Kanya lang ang hanap buhay dito sa bukid. Ang masipag, may makakain. Pagtamad, nakatingala sa langit. Yan lang.
So, maraming salamat po, Lolo.
So that is the beauty of Pusurubio. Come and visit us. Thank you for watching.